that's the new doorbell I got by Hampton Bay. It's got, I don't know, did you count them? Which one did you like best? They're the chimes that come with this doorbell. Okay? So, I think there was 6, I believe. You gotta look at it. Let me get the... This is the package. So it comes with 6 tones that you could choose from. So tell me in the comments which one you like best. Now this thing is battery operated. You don't plug it in. The main unit. Okay, but make sure that you get your C batteries. You're going to need C batteries for this to work. Okay, on the back there's a volume, and also this is your tone changer. Okay. So you're going to hit that until you hit the tone you like. To sync it with your button, here's your button that goes outside the door in case you don't know. Okay, you're going to hold this in for 3 seconds. Okay, and if you want to reset the whole thing, you hold it in for 10 seconds. There's a beep after each one. Here, I could show you. Okay, that's set up and syncs it with your button. Now, if you want to reset the whole thing to sync with a different button, I'm thinking you're going to hold it in for the 10 seconds. Now look, so this thing here, you could set this basically anywhere. I think it's within so many feet, as long as you're within the house. I mean, I'm going to use it in the RV, but you don't have to have it plugged in because it has the C batteries. And let me see if it tells us here. It does tell us. I may not find it within this time because I want this to be a short video. But this is a Home Depot siege review. You could pick this up on the Home Depot website. I like these ones with the battery because you can basically put it anywhere on the wall or in any room. Like if you let's say you're always in your bedroom, you can stick this in the bedroom so you can hear it. But as you can see, it's pretty loud. And that wasn't full volume. Now be aware that this button here, okay, this button has, oh gosh, this button has a battery in it too. So if you have one and it's not working, more than likely your battery in the button here has been killed. So you're going to want to find a battery. I don't even know what kind of battery it is, but you got to find a battery. It looks almost like a cell you use for your camera or something. Anyway, it's got the numbers on it. Take it into your local store. It's 23 amp 12 volt. Can you see that? Alright, so lots of times if it's not working and you change the battery in your main unit, then it's going to be this battery in here. I didn't even know there was a battery in here until I got this one. But I do have one that's not working, so I'm going to check the battery now. Okay, so that's the same way you mount it to the wall outside your door. You're going to take this off, and basically you're going to install this piece with 2 screws, and then you're going to take your button and push it on, and you're ready to go. So that's about it. that's about it for the Hampton Bay wireless battery operated doorbell. Make sure you get the battery operated one if you want to put it anywhere. If you get the one with a plug, you got to put it in a plug. But and then also you're going to have to pick up your C batteries, okay, and then you'll be able to use your doorbell. So if you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up, would you? Happy to come at you with this video. Like and subscribe, guys. Share the video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to send you a message back. This is Mr. Fix-It coming at you on a Sunday morning. Have a best weekend. I'm out.